Hey guys, greetings. How you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to Vinal TV. If you are new to this channel, and if you are, please consider subscribing. Thank you very much indeed for stopping by. Thank you very much indeed for clicking. I want to show you what we got here. We got this gear. This is HP Deskjet Plus 4130. This printer is multifunctional, multitask, 3-in-1, in the sense that you can copy, scan and print from this gear. This is essential home printing gear. Simply beautiful stuff, and at a glance you see the function. Can print, scan, copy, mobile fax, okay, automatic document feed. Connectivity is dual band and Wi-Fi network. This printer also is using various paper documents, A4 up to 35 sheet automatic interface LCD screen. What we are going to do is to unbox this gear for you to see what is inside, helping you to make informed choice about this gear, whether you like it or not. My job is to help you to have a look at this printer and for you to consider it. This beautiful stuff, you can save up to 70% on ink by subscribing to ink delivery service. I'm afraid it's not free of charge. You need to subscribe to this service. If you're not happy with the service, you can cancel it. This printer is using 305 ink cartridges here in UK. It might be using different number abroad, elsewhere abroad, okay? You can connect this printer via HP Smart app, which I'm going to show you as we go along. What we are going to do is to unbox this gear for you to see what is inside, okay? Then we'll go from there, okay? In terms of purchasing this printer, you can get it from hp.co.uk. Also, you can get it from amazon.co.uk. You can also get it from eBay. I'm going to put up a link how you can get this printer, okay? Right, we start from here. What we have here is get started, okay? This is simplified declaration and conformity. This is reference and support HP Deskjet Plus 4100 series, okay? This is reference support. Now this is about the ink cartridges. Life is easier with ink cartridges. Save up to 70% on HP ink delivery service. Okay, this is what this is all about. This is the document in various languages, okay, to help you make things easier. This is get started, how to connect this printer by going to 123.hp.com, download the app, and from there we connect this printer, okay? This is what is inside. Now here is, I believe, the ink cartridges. This is the ink cartridges for this printer. 305 black and 305 three colors. That three colors consist of red, blue and yellow, which I'm also going to show you how to load this ink tank as we go along, okay? Now the next, what we have here is power cable, 3-pin power cable for UK use. Sometimes you get one that have 3-pin, okay? So but this one is 3-pin for UK use. Beautiful stuff, okay? And that's it, really, nothing else. You can see here, we're gonna bring this baby out. This here, I want to mention that there's no USB cable here. Upon this is there's no USB cable. You can see upon this printer is also dual band, is using, bear in mind, is dual band, is using USB cable connection as well, but they don't include this when they supply this printer. It doesn't come with it. I got USB cable at home. I'm going to show you what it looks like. So this is this printer, this gear, right? This is the USB cable. This USB cable is universal. Canon can use it, Brother can use it, Epson can use it, HP can use it. Various printers can use this USB cable. Okay, so you connect this cable. Okay, connect the cable at the back. So this is where the USB spot goes. Okay, it goes in here. This section goes in here. The flat section goes to your PC. Okay, I'm going to put it here, but unfortunately this cable doesn't come with it. I'm going to put up a link how you can get this cable. Okay, from what we can see here, the color is nice, beautiful stuff. You can see HP logo. Okay, and we'll show you here from here, HP Deskjet 4100 series, multi-tasking, multi-simple printer, automatic document feed. Okay, and HP smart app, print, scan, copy from your phone, dual band, which is mobile device, Wi-Fi and USB connection, instant ink, save up to 70%. Beautiful stuff. Okay, and from what we can see here, I'm going to show you some of the features, some of the functions for this printer. From what we can see here, okay, the on and off button for this printer is right here. This button here, after the on button, the next button is to copy black, the next button is to copy color. Then you can see LCD screen. Then after LCD screen, the next button is Wi-Fi network, and after that is information button. Okay, then the next button is resume, after that is cancel. Okay, so this is the functions or the features for this printer, and we're going to basically remove these packages, and for you to have proper look on this printer and tell me what's your take and what you think about it. Okay, my take is dope and nice technology, but I want to hear from you. Tell me, I want to hear about the connection. Do you find it easy to connect? I do this all the time, so I'm here to bring value, to help people with their technology and become tech savvy. Okay, now I want to show you, start from here. Okay, so you open up this tray this way. This is also paper feed. Here is the scanner. Beautiful stuff. I like the scanner, it's beautiful. Okay, and you can see the scanner. Okay, I like that. We'll take off this plastic off so that it will not be on the way. Okay, if we want to scan a document, so you can load A4 paper here. Okay, you can also load 8.5 by 11-inch paper. Okay, and you can also load 4x6. Okay, is for photo paper. Okay, here we go. So we're taking off this plastic. This is the features. Like I said earlier, you turn this printer on here, copy black, copy color, LCD screen. Inside this LCD screen, it will tell you Wi-Fi and gauge for the ink. Okay, so this is the Wi-Fi button, information, resume and cancel. I'm going to turn this printer on, then we'll go from there. And also I want to show you where the where the ink cartridges goes. Okay, the ink cartridges goes right here. Okay, this is where the ink goes, and for us to change the ink, what you need to do is remove this packaging. Okay, and once you remove the packaging, open this up, then also remove this packaging as well. Okay, and the same here. Once you've done that, open it up and remove a paper that hold the ink holder together, and remove it. Okay, so I'm gonna move this across by the side. This is beautiful stuff. From what I can see, this printer is very nice. Okay, and to connect this printer, this is what we need to do. Then walk ourselves to the next video. To connect this printer, what you need to do is at the back here. Okay, so this is the paper tray. This is the paper tray. You load the paper tray. So you load the paper right here, which I'm going to show you on my next video as well. So for us to connect this printer, what you need to do is, this is the power cable. Okay, it goes right here. Push it in. Okay, make sure you push it. Now the next thing we need to do is to plug this printer. So I have the power socket here. So stick this end to the power socket. Okay, and once you've done that, the next thing you need to do is press on and off button. Okay, and give this printer time to connect. Okay, give it time to connect, and you will see that all the features will come on. Okay, here we go. Okay, so this printer right now is on, powered on. You can see inside here, you can see the reception for Wi-Fi is very low, and also the blue light is flashing. This blue light is flashing because the Wi-Fi is not yet connected, and once it's connected, it will be steady blue on. Okay, blue light on. Inside this gauge, you see two empty lines. Okay, that line is for ink cartridges. Once you load the ink cartridges, the line will be full, so you can actually see the measurement or gauge when the ink is running out, so you can keep an eye on the LCD screen. You can see this 0 is when you select a function like to copy. If you want to copy more than one document, you keep pressing this, it will change, the number will change. Okay, so this is to cancel. Like I said, this is the full tour and unboxing of this gear. If you're happy with this tutorial, please smash the like button, show us some love. Thank you very much, and do subscribe to the channel. It helps us to grow. Thank you, and I appreciate you. Thank you.